Hello artists, today we're going to learn how to make a hollow sphere out of clay. So you're going to have two pieces of clay, they'll probably be more rectangular than mine are, and you're going to have a cloth. That's basically all we need today. You're going to take your clay, and first thing you want to do is we squeeze it some to knock the edges off. It'll look a little bit like a rock. And then we're going to roll it in between your hands to make it a little rounder. And don't get carried away, and don't worry about all the little imperfections at this time. Don't worry about all the little cracks and things. Repeat with your other ball. So squeeze to kind of knock the edges off, and then roll between your hands. Next, you want to take your thumb and press your thumb into the center. Do not go all the way through. Then we take our lobster claw and we're going to turn this into a pinch pot. When pinching, we don't want to get carried away and make it so the wall of this pot is super thin, because if it is, it's not going to be able to hold any weight. It needs to hold weight. So what I like to do is use my pinky to measure. So I lay my pinky on the edge of my pot, and they should be the same thickness. And all these little cracks that you're worried about, you can take and smooth over with your finger. And we can gently roll this on the table, and that will help eliminate some of those finger dents that you put on the side. So I've got all the cracks mostly smoothed out. I'm not worrying about the inside. Got the bottom smoothed over too. I'm going to take this top edge and gently tap it on the table, and this is to even it out so it is flat. Take the other ball and repeat. Thumb goes in, don't push it all the way through. Pinch all the way around. Roll on the table to get rid of finger dents. And then do some smoothing with your finger. If you're having trouble getting it to smooth with your finger, we have our handy dandy clay squirt bottles here. You can squirt it a couple times. Don't get carried away. And that can help smooth things out a bit, adding a little moisture to your project. And just like before, when you have everything pretty much smoothed out, gently tap the top on the table to even everything out inside your pinch pot. Next, we're going to take your two halves and put them together on the open side. It's like you're closing an egg that you made yourself. So putting them together, pressing gently, and then in order to ensure these stay together, you need to smooth the seam. Now, if you're having trouble doing it with your thumb, I do have some tools. This is called a clay thumb. You can use the clay thumb to join the pieces together. Now, I'm not going the same direction as our connecting point. I am going against the grain, and this will help it stay together much, much better. And now that I'm all done joining my seam, if you look at this, you cannot see the line anymore. It is gone. And I went over it and smoothed it with my thumb. I also squirted it a little bit with some water to smooth out some of those cracks. So now I have a hollow ball. Then you're going to bring this up to me, and I will write your name. And then next time we're going to add our accessories.